Hello there. Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix audio issues in Facebook, even though here, somewhere right here, even though I'm going to make this up, there's no sounds, and it works on other pages like YouTube or um other pages, but not in Facebook. So I'm going to teach you on how to fix that one. All you just need to do is to go to your settings here, settings, and go to the bottom. Here, click advanced, and at the bottom again, here, just click this one, restore settings to their original defaults. It will help you to fix the issue. So just click this one. It will just take up to a couple of minutes, and just after that one, just try to log your Facebook or try to refresh your browser, and it will work. The audio will work. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.